Manipur lengak na siduna Dr.Syama Prasad Mookerjee ki chama kun mga suba mapok numit ki ningsingbagi thouram palace compound to leba Manipur State Film Development Society MSFDS ke auditorium hall da Manipur ki governor Ajay Kumar Vala na chief guest odina state ki thakta pangthokhre thouram adugi manung chana Dr.Syama Prasad Mookerjee ki life history ki matangda minute kun mga sangba documentary film amasu utke thouram aduga mailena na Manipur ki governor Ajay Kumar Vala na phongdorak pada Dr.Syama Prasad Mookerjee na leba asibu chawkhat na bakho na bada chawbat hodang lobota natana tungi asaba miting amagaluna na laibak asigi yai fana bathabak thorum kaya ama paikhat lami mahakna hanba leitena thongna galuna na matam adugi pangthok lamba thabak thorum sing adu haujiki mirol na kawdana tung inba mathok tai hai khe luna na ngasi utliba documentary film asida Dr. Syam na lawamba thodang kaya ama utli amadi yam phajaba message supiri luna na mahak na politics ta yawk labam miyam gi yai fana batawata natana India gi constitution stem badasu sarukya khi hai khe thom adu da lenga ki maru eba masak naiba miyoi kaya na sarukya khe.
He was born in Calcutta and in a Bengali family, risen to the level of a youngest vice chancellor of a very prestigious university, and he had this not only promoting languages, he had love for vernacular languages, as well as he says Hindi should be the language to unite the country. During his tenure in this university, he introduced BA course and honors courses in Bengali, Hindi and Urdu, thus underscoring the educational reforms rooted on Indian values and culture. The Dr. Syama Prasad Mookerjee's contribution is not limited to academic world. A true patriot, he was deeply influenced by nationalist movements from an early age, and that's why he left and then joined politics and then became a minister also. He joined Indian National Congress and then participated very actively in the freedom struggle.